Today I'm going to build a 3D projector. It's a very simple 1-hour project, and now I'm going to show what we need. So the final result should be the cell phone with this prism. To build this prism we need the following components. We need the plastic sheet of material from some card box or from any other place. We need device to draw circles. So this is the device I constructed from the parts I have. Piece of paper and a knife, and that's it. Step number 1, you have to draw this figure. So first you're going to draw the circle. Once we have the circle, we should mark the length of those elements, and we remember that the length of the circle is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle, so approximately 6r. So what we do, we just put the marks like this. So the first mark, second mark, and so on. So once we have this, we draw the straight lines like this. One line, second line, the fourth line. So that's it. And then what we do, we actually connect those dots. The same here. So this is the small circle. So once we have this done, we're going to receive this. So once this is done, we convert this image to the paper, to the plastic material. So put it under, put the marks on the plastic, and then going to cut this from the plastic. And if you look at this thing, we're going to see this nice beautiful pattern. It's a bit. So I bought this figure. So the key element is actually the size of this. The size of this base is approximately 10 centimeters. And the rest is actually not important, but probably you have to say how many. So if we have 5 centimeters, that's good enough. The base is approximately 10 millimeters. So which gives us the radius of this thing is approximately 6 to 7 centimeters. Not important. So once we have this done, we use scotch to connect it, and that's it. Once we have this beautiful prism, we can move to the next step. Download those applications. There's many of those kind of applications, but I'm using those two: Wyoming 3D projector, Wyoming 3D video. You can find many others. So let's start the application. We choose demo. Okay. So place the prism in the cross section. Like this. Before we continue, I forgot to mention the boring part. So the physics behind this process. So what we have the light falling on the transparent medium on the flat surface. What happens next? We have refracted wave or ray and reflected ray. So the basic, as we know that from high school physics, that the angle of those two angles are the same. Ray of the fallen wave and reflected wave. And then there is the wave which is passing through. So the angle depends on the ratio between the refractive indices of materials. Let's say this is air, this is index 1, and this is glass, I think it's 1.4. Doesn't matter, so we don't need this part, so we just care about the reflection. So reflection. So what happens if we have this prism on the surface? If you look on this prism from that angle, then we're going to see the reflection at this point. So let's say we have the projection of image here. So this image is going to be projected to the eye, which is down there. So this is the physics, pretty simple. So let's do it. And now the final part, the fun part. Let's switch the lights off and see the result from the side.